Money matters. Planning for success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow, having a solid plan is crucial. Running a business is tough. The long hours, the stress, the constant decision-making. Making money is even tougher. You need a plan. A well-thought-out strategy can make all the difference. Think of your financial plan like a roadmap. It's your guide through the complex world of business finance. It guides you, keeps you on track, and helps you reach your destination. Financial freedom. Without it, you might find yourself lost. Without a plan, you're driving blindfolded. You have no direction, no clear path to follow. You might get lucky, but chances are you'll end up lost and broke. Start with a budget. Track your expenses meticulously. Know where your money is going. Next, set financial goals. These goals will be your milestones. How much do you want to earn? What are your profit targets? How much debt do you want to pay off? Reducing debt is just as important as increasing income. Remember, financial planning isn't about limiting yourself. It's about making informed decisions. It's about taking control and achieving your dreams. With a solid plan, you can turn your financial goals into reality. Print on demand, or POD, is a game changer. It's a business model where you sell custom-designed products without holding any inventory. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. You create the designs, and a pod company handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. No upfront costs for inventory, no wasted products. You only pay when you make a sale. This means lower risk and higher profit potential. It's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and anyone looking for a flexible way to make money. The print-on-demand market is booming. It's expected to reach over $700 billion by 2027. That's billion with a B. This massive growth is fueled by the rise of e-commerce, social media, and the demand for personalized products. People love unique items that reflect their style and interests. POD allows you to tap into this demand and create products that people actually want to buy. These aren't just empty promises. There's real money to be made in POD. Don't believe me? Let's look at some real-life success stories. Section 4. Real people, real profits. POD success stories. Meet Sarah. She was a stay-at-home mom who loved to design funny t-shirts for her kids. Her passion for creativity and her desire to contribute financially to her family led her to explore new opportunities. She decided to try selling them online using a print-on-demand platform. It was a leap of faith, but she was determined to make it work. Fast forward 2 years, and Sarah now runs a six-figure POD business from home, all while raising her kids. Her journey from a hobbyist to a successful entrepreneur is truly inspiring. Then there's John, a retired teacher who always dreamed of being his own boss. After years of teaching, he wanted to pursue something different, something that would give him more freedom. He started designing and selling motivational posters online using POD. His designs quickly gained popularity, and he found a new purpose in his retirement. Now he's earning more than he ever did teaching, and he gets to travel the world. These stories aren't unique. They are examples of what is possible with dedication and the right platform. There are countless others just like them. People who have turned their passions into profitable businesses. People from all walks of life are finding success and financial freedom with print on demand. The opportunities are endless, and the success stories keep growing. Section 5. Take charge. Your print-on-demand journey begins now. You don't need to be a design guru or a marketing expert to succeed in POD. Anyone with a creative spark and a bit of determination can make it. You just need passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the journey and be open to new ideas and strategies. Start by finding your niche. This is the foundation of your business. What are you passionate about? What topics or themes excite you the most? What unique designs can you create? Think about what sets you apart from others. Next, choose a reliable print-on-demand platform. This decision can make or break your business. Do your research, compare features, and find the one that fits your needs. Look for platforms with good reviews and reliable customer service. Then create high-quality designs that people will love. Your designs should resonate with your target audience. Use vibrant colors, catchy slogans, and on-trend themes. Stay updated with the latest trends in design. Finally, get the word out. Marketing is key to your success. Promote your products on social media, run targeted ads, and collaborate with influencers. Build a strong online presence. Remember, success in POD takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent. Don't expect to get rich quick. There will be challenges along the way. Stay consistent, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. Your hard work will pay off in the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more interesting hustling videos. Stay tuned for more tips and success stories. Section 6, Financial Wisdom for PIOD Entrepreneurs. Remember that roadmap we talked about? Financial planning is crucial in the PIOD world too. Track your sales and expenses diligently. Reinvest your profits wisely. Consider setting up a separate business account. As your pod business grows, you might need to hire help. Be smart about managing your finances. It'll keep you on the road to success. Print on demand offers an incredible opportunity for anyone to achieve financial freedom. You're in control of your destiny. Take the leap, start creating, and watch your dreams become a reality.